I wanted to show you one little product that's essential to my daily morning routine. And that right there is the Naked Deodorant. 100% all natural deodorant that works wonders. It's best to use it on clean skin, so usually after you shower. So what you want to do is grab a few drops of water, just a tiny bit, and put it on the crystal. And just rub it on your skin, your clean skin, until you feel the crystal drying. So now the crystal's starting to dry, and that's how you know you're all done. So you want to do the same thing for the other side. And the reason why I love this deodorant so much is because it doesn't leave any stains, it doesn't irritate your skin at all, and it's natural. So it's good for you and for the environment. Not to mention it's also cruelty-free.